Any company can benefit from a Marcy Lab apprenticeship program. The strength of the program is in the long term. You get immediate gains from people attacking problems, but then that accrues over time. You build up momentum. We call it the technology industry, but really the key is people, right? You need people to build that technology. You need people who are passionate, who are curious. The Marcy Lab program trains the people in their program to contribute in the most critical area for technology, which is taking an understanding of people's problems and solving them with technology. My name is Isaac Wong. I'm the SVP of Engineering at Cockroach Labs. We help companies manage a data layer so that that data is always available, it's resilient, you can get it when you need it in a fast, predictable way. Our main currency that helps us succeed is passionate, talented engineers who really care about what they're building and can work in a team. With Marcy, you see immediately the support system they have, the mentoring, the attention to them also as individuals. Everyone has perspectives and skills and new ideas that they can bring, no matter where you come from, a boot camp or university or the Marcy Lab program. But I think one of the critical things is preparing people for an apprenticeship that lasts more than just a month or two.
My name is Lauren Barker, and I'm a software engineer at Cockroach Labs. Something unique about the Marcy Lab apprenticeship program is that you get paired with a mentor for an entire year, which is hard to find, where you have someone who's dedicated to you for a full year at a time.
The internship program allows us to have 3-month experiences. The apprenticeship program is a more immersive experience. It allows us the ability to find people and have them grow closer to us and us closer to them. And on both sides, we can be very successful. We put the apprentice in with one of our real production teams. They won't get the hardest problems right away, but we'll give them problems appropriate to where they are, but are critical to our success. The strength of the program is in the long term. You get immediate gains from people attacking problems, but then that accrues over time. You build up momentum. That person will grow and evolve in your company and at least in much better effectiveness over the long term.
My name is John Morales. I am a software engineer apprentice at Cockroach Labs. One of the very first lessons that Marcy taught me was how do I teach myself new concepts and how do I become a better learner. I think that is the biggest skill that you can take away.
It was great to see Jan come into Cockroach Labs with so many skills that Marcy provided. If you're already coming in with those skills, you have this jump start where you can focus on writing production quality code and understanding how an individual company works rather than just the base tools of the trade.
At Marcy, learning the fundamentals of CSS and HTML, JavaScript, learning how to connect endpoints and getting data from the backend, those are all skills that transferred to the job at Cockroach Labs.
So I was Jan's mentor. I reviewed all of the initial code, trying to get Jan integrated into the team, connecting him with other people at the company to talk to and get more of a support network than just a single person.
Working with Marcy, we get people with strong foundations, well-rounded backgrounds, but also the ability to collaborate, to work together, to bring that youthful energy that convinces all the old crusted veterans that we can do things, things that we thought weren't possible. Maybe now all of a sudden you see a different way of approaching it.
One thing that attracted me immediately to Cockroach Labs was the fact that our values at Marcy mirrored the ones over there. They want to empower people of all kinds of backgrounds, whether it's sexual orientation, race.
It's important that we have a diversity of opinion. You get that optimism, you get new ideas from a diversity of backgrounds, and then the people on the team get to learn together, become stronger, and we get to build a better product that ultimately helps our customers be more successful. When we get a Marcy apprentice, and then when an apprentice turns into a full-time hire for us, we know that we're getting someone who is strong in front-end coding, they're strong in analysis. The most important thing for us is collaboration, is communication. And I think through the Marcy apprenticeship program and the Marcy program itself, people get that well-rounded education that translates wonderfully to be a productive member of a cohesive team.